Mr. President.
Senator from Texas.
Mr. President, I rise today to commend the Senate for taking up legislation that I've introduced, along with my colleague in the House, Chairman Kevin Brady, to reverse yet another instance of executive overreach by the Obama administration. H.J. Res. 42 passed the House 236 to 189, with support on both sides of the aisle, including nearly unanimous Republican support. And I urge my colleagues in this chamber to swiftly approve this legislation and to send it to the President's desk for signature. In the bipartisan Middle Class Tax Relief and Job Creation Act of 2012, Congress permitted, but did not require, states to assess state unemployment compensation or insurance program applicants for drug usage under two circumstances: workers who had been discharged from their last job because of unlawful drug use, and workers looking for jobs in occupations where applicants and employees are subject to drug testing. The unemployment insurance program is designed to facilitate swift reemployment by requiring applicants to be able to work and actively seek employment in order to be eligible. The 2012 Job Creation Act noted that if a worker lost a job due to drug usage, that worker would have established themselves as not being fully able or available to work. Further, under appropriate state-level programs, states could choose to restrict benefits for individuals who fail drug tests, as well as to design programs to help them overcome their drug use and become work-ready. A number of states have responded to this opportunity. We are not helping anyone by leaving them in the position where they are dependent on and addicted to drugs. In Texas, for example, the Texas legislature passed Senate Bill 21, which not only sought to secure the quality of job applicants, but it also provided help to those who needed it, but would not have sought out that help otherwise themselves. The wording of the 2012 Job Creation Act clearly shows that Congress specifically intended to provide states the ability to determine how to best implement these programs for their citizens. However, the Obama Department of Labor substantially narrowed the law to circumstances where testing is legally required, not merely allowed. Such an arbitrarily narrow definition undermines the ability of states to conduct drug testing in their programs as permitted by Congress. This regulation is overly prescriptive. It removes state discretion regarding implementation, and it ignores years of congressional concern on both sides of the aisle. I want to thank Chairman Brady for taking the lead in the House on dealing with this overreach, and for his leadership on H.J. Res. 42 to repeal this regulation. This joint resolution has broad support, including from President Trump, from Texas's Governor Abbott, from Mississippi's Governor Bryant, from Utah's Governor Herbert, and Wisconsin's Governor Walker. All are united in restoring the flexibility of the states to deal with the problem of drug use and drug addiction and to tailor their unemployment programs to meeting that problem. And this is yet another step in overturning the Obama administration's executive overreach that has done so much damage. And so I encourage my colleagues on both sides of the aisle to support this measure and to return discretion to the states and to the people. I yield the floor.